Welcome to our channel, where we explore sustainable farming practices and profitable business ventures. In today's video, we dive into the world of goat farming and discuss the 12 compelling reasons why it is a sustainable and profitable business venture. If you've been considering starting a goat farm or are simply curious about the benefits of this industry, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Reason number 1: low initial investment. Goat farming is an attractive business venture because it requires relatively low initial investment compared to other agricultural enterprises. You don't need vast acres of land, and the cost of acquiring goats and essential infrastructure is affordable, making it accessible for aspiring farmers. Reason number 2: high demand for goat products. Goat meat, milk, and cheese have gained popularity among health-conscious consumers due to their nutritional value and unique flavor. The increasing demand for these products creates a lucrative market for goat farmers, ensuring a steady income stream. Reason number 3: efficient land utilization. Goat farming allows for efficient land utilization as goats can thrive in diverse landscapes, including hilly terrain or areas with limited grazing resources. They are excellent foragers and can convert vegetation into valuable products, making them ideal for maximizing land productivity. Reason number 4: fast breeding and reproduction. Goats have a relatively short gestation period and often produce multiple offspring in a single birth. This fast breeding and reproduction cycle allows farmers to quickly expand their herd size and increase production capacity, leading to a more sustainable and scalable business. Reason number 5: versatility in products. Goat farming offers versatility in products. Besides meat and milk, goats provide valuable resources such as fiber for textiles, skins for leather, and manure for organic fertilizers. This versatility opens additional income streams and enhances the overall profitability of a goat farming business. Reason number 6: climate resilience. Goats are known for their ability to adapt to different climates and withstand harsh environmental conditions. They require less water and can survive in regions where other livestock may struggle. This climate resilience makes goat farming a sustainable choice, even in areas prone to drought or limited resources. Reason number 7: low feed requirements. Compared to larger livestock species, goats have lower feed requirements. They are efficient browsers and can subsist on a variety of vegetation, including grass, leaves, and shrubs. This not only reduces feed costs but also promotes sustainable grazing practices. Reason number 8: eco-friendly land management. Goats contribute to eco-friendly land management by acting as natural weed control agents. Their grazing habits help manage invasive plants, reducing the need for chemical herbicides and promoting sustainable land stewardship practices. Reason number 9: reduced environmental footprint. Goat farming has a smaller environmental footprint compared to other livestock industries. Goats produce less greenhouse gas emissions and their manure is less potent, making it easier to manage and utilize as fertilizer. Choosing goat farming aligns with sustainable agriculture principles. Reason number 10: income diversification. Goat farming offers opportunities for income diversification. In addition to selling goat products, farmers can offer agritourism experiences, goat rentals for vegetation control, or participate in value-added activities like soap or cheese making. These diversified income streams contribute to the long-term sustainability of the business. Reason number 11: cultural significance. Goats hold cultural significance in many communities around the world. They have been an integral part of traditions, rituals, and celebrations for centuries. By engaging in goat farming, you not only contribute to preserving cultural heritage but also create a connection to the rich history and traditions associated with these remarkable animals. Reason number 12: personal fulfillment and well-being. Running a goat farm can provide a sense of personal fulfillment and well-being. The opportunity to work closely with these intelligent and charismatic animals can be incredibly rewarding. The peaceful and serene environment of a goat farm offers a chance to connect with nature and experience a fulfilling lifestyle away from the hustle and bustle of city living. And there you have it. 12 compelling reasons why goat farming is a sustainable and profitable business venture. From the low initial investment and high demand for goat products to the versatility in products and personal fulfillment it offers, goat farming presents an array of opportunities for aspiring farmers. Whether you're passionate about sustainable agriculture, seeking a source of income diversification, or simply drawn to the charm of these animals, goat farming has something to offer. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel for more content on sustainable farming practices and business ventures. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy goat farming!